Dear all of you, dear friends or people that I don't know, that you are somewhere in Europe or even wherever in the world this video will land. My name is Matteo and I am an artist living in Italy, and I decided to make this video because I feel responsible for that. I live in Bergamo, that is a city in Lombardy in Italy, that is actually the hotspot for the coronavirus situation in Italy. So we are the worst case ever. I am also the son of a doctor. My father works in the intensive care in my hometown hospital. Him and many other doctors and nurses in the entire region are working restlessly, like 15, 16, 17 hours a day, to try to figure out how to save all of us, how to save our lives and the lives of the people we care about. Here we are, most of us, we are losing someone. We're losing maybe a friend or someone we barely know, or a family member or a colleague or a neighbor, and we are locked down in we're locked in our houses, so we have no insurance. We cannot even make a proper funeral right now. I have to say that no healthcare system is really ready to face what is happening now. Nor ours, neither yours. This is for sure. So this video message is specifically for all of you that are not understanding what is happening also in your country, that are not taking this with responsibility for yourself and for others. I want to share a few information about what we know here and about the experience here. As you know for sure, the virus spreads really fast and changes, has mutations. So the so-called herd immunity is not even sustainable as an idea, as it works in the timeline of generation and in generations, more than one, in the situation where a vaccine is available. This is not our case. The treatments for the disease, the virus causes is a very long treatment. It can go for 2-3 weeks, and those are all tryouts. And actually the standards of the treatments are lower than what we're used to, because there are too many people in our hospitals. We're running out of beds, of respirators, of tools for medicalization in the hospitals. And they are creating new departments in the hospital, specifically new intensive care departments with whatever they have, specifically to face the Covid-19. So I want to add another information. It is not true that this virus is dangerous just for old people and people with previous diseases. This is not true. They're just the first one to die. We are all at risk. We are all at risk. We can be infected, and there are more cases of people like my age, younger people, healthier people, that are in severe situation right now. Not just here, also in France, for example. So please, be responsible for yourself, for your beloved, and for your community, and act within simple rules. First of all, stay home. This is not a holiday. Stay home. Just do smart working or reinvent yourself. Second rule, wash your hands often. Wash your hands when you come home, wash your hands before touching food, wash your hands whenever you touch something that you don't know where does it comes from, or whoever has touched it before. Third rule, sanitize the surface of your phone. We use it so close to our mouth, nose, and eyes so often. We're very used to that. Just sanitize it and limit as much as possible the use in public, because we cannot control what lands on the surface. And again, don't touch your face, your mouth, your nose, your eyes before you wash your hands. Another rule is to sanitize the bottom of your shoes. We are not sure of the survival time of the virus on different surfaces, so be sure that you're not bringing the virus home. Also, because many of us, we are all sharing our houses. We don't live alone, with our partners, with our families, with our housemates, and in that sense we are all responsible for others constantly, and we should have learned that. We should already know that. Last rule, and most important of all, whenever you are in a situation where you have to go out to do grocery or whatever you need with no possibility to avoid it, respect the distance of 2 meters from one each other. Avoid any kind of group. Do not gather. There will be another time for kisses and hugs and drinks together and laughters. We can all laugh by distance. But do not gather. Respect the distance. And if you see someone that is not respecting this rule, just say that out loud. Spread the voice. Make people understand. More people. And again, when you sneeze or cough, do it like this, in the fold of your elbow. Don't use your hands, because then they're gonna touch other stuff. Respect the rules. I want to thank you, anybody who's listening and who can help spreading this voice and these informations. And I want to add, at the end of this video, I will add a very short edit of some video that comes from the church of my hometown, so you can understand maybe in a bit more of a concrete way what is happening now. We must be responsible. Thank you.